This is day 3 of week 2 something. I don't even know at this point, but here's a situation we have right now. We are looking at taking some shorts. So overall, go to the daily time. Oh, frick. I always do that. You gotta click the number first. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that it's clear that we're probably gonna be drawing here. Probably definitely gonna be drawing there on the daily time frame. Also have a daily fair value gap right there. Let me see if that's the same thing on ES. Yes, same thing on ES, just no fair value gap. So we're gonna go down to the 4 hour to give you guys more of a consensus of what we got going on for the day. So this is clearly okay. So this is clearly the next draw right here that we just hit, and I believe we have SMT. Nope. So both ES and NQ both took out that draw right there. So we do have some low resistance 4 hour draws higher here as well. So we have these highs and these highs. So we're probably going to go take those out as well. But if we go down to the 4 hour chart, you can see that we've just been up lately, which is why I want to short. So if we drop down to this 1 hour, we'll also see that we swept London highs. Just have no SMTs to direct us lower just yet. That's what we're waiting to set up right now. And if we drop down to 45 minute, still nothing. 30, we have a 30-minute fair value gap, but what I'm really looking at are these 15-minute gaps we left behind on this push-up. This is like the third day in a row. We just open, dump, up, open, dump, up, open, dump, up, open, dump, up. So kind of skeptical about the shorts, but the volume today is a lot better. This is the best volume day we've seen all week. Best volume day we've seen all week. So I'm looking to target this 15-minute right here after we inverse this 5-minute right here, or if we make a 5-minute right here as well, then we'll look to potentially take that one short as well. So I will come back to you guys whenever we're actually about to get in a trade, but as of right now, that's what we have. So we're looking for right now. And shooters, man, it's occluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Come and play their attitude. Running the sesame tubies. Running the sesame boobies. Running to make them as cool as how about the suicide with the oldie. I pull up a ball of the drugs in the gullet. And in the cooking, I'm whipping up. So we got about 160 ticks here. We're going to be taking this trade, about 4 contracts. If we can inverse, we're looking at getting short after we inverse this 5-minute gap right here. Are we gonna get it? Nope. Well, now price is gonna dump all the way down here. It's gonna be fun. Wait and watch. Now price is literally gonna go all the way down here in one candle. We're not gonna get the entry because we gotta wait for it to inverse. Because on ES, if you guys look on ES actually, if you guys look on ES actually, we have this huge gap right here. So the fact that NQ is right here, I was kind of expecting it because it's just weird. We didn't want to take that short inside of that gap anyway. We're also in this 15-minute gap, but I wanted the shorts. I like the shorts. I wanted them right there. It's unfortunate we're not going to get it, but I'll come back to you guys whenever we do get the shorts. All right, so we're going to be getting short here on this candle. It was it's weird because, so when I look at ES, initially ES was down here and we were dumping. I'm But now we're starting to reject heavily off of that gap right there. That's what was so difficult about this trade. But I'll watch it. But we tapped into that 30-minute gap. Oh my gosh, bro. This trade just has so much resistance to the downside, bro. So much resistance to the downside. Have the 30-minute gap. Have a 15-minute gap. My target was this 30-minute gap that we're inside of right now. Now we're no longer inside of that gap. But if we can get down to this 15 maybe, go down to the 5. Alright, we're going to go ahead and sell 4 here. Holy crap, that was loud. What the fuck?
Order filled.
Alright. Stops are going to go at the high of this candle, though. And then we're just going to target. We're just going to target this 15-minute gap. Let's keep it simple. Just target that 15-minute gap. Bro, that was so loud, bro. Oh my gosh. But we got short here because we inverse 5-minute bullish PD arrays with a lot of volume, as you guys can see here. Overall, we have SMT at these highs right here. So I think it was a pretty simple trade to see what we could get short. No break-even point on this one. Just taking a simple 1-to-1 down to this 15-minute fair value gap. Dude, that was so loud. Oh my gosh. That was so loud. Holy crap, bro. That like blew my face off, bro. I wonder, like, we probably flushed lower from that gap. I'm not even gonna lie. We probably do. Just from the way we've been retracing, bro. We'll probably, like, I don't think we'll come down here, but we can probably definitely fill more than 50% of this gap right here. Let me see if we have any resistance on this. On ES. Other than, what was that? Oh, so ES hit another 15-minute gap. So ES is within another 15-minute gap as well. Oh, fuck me. That means I gotta get stopped at break even here, doesn't it? There's a run to sell, so we need to buy back 4 more. Bro, every time I realize ES has something wrong with it, bro, we always get stopped at break even. Every time, bro. Alright, so I didn't realize ES was already at a 15-minute gap, but we've kind of disrespected that so far, so we should be good to go here. Unless we get a random break back to the upside, but I gotta stop moving my charts, bro. When I go to do the screen recording for the YouTube, bro, it's gonna be like impossible to keep up with it. But yeah, honestly, bro, we're probably just gonna get stopped out break even here, bro, because ES tapped into that 15-minute gap. It's just fucking another break even, but it is December though. I'd much rather hit break even than lose. So hopefully we can flush her though. That'd be nice. Make me look like a genius, because I did risk a lot on this. Low key. Low key. Come on, bro. That's over with, bro. Not really, but like, God, bro. I'm glad I saw that though, that we hit that 15-minute on ES, because I definitely probably would have lost a lot on this trade thinking there's no break even. Like, we hit a 1 minute fair value gap, bro. That shouldn't affect it that much, right? There's no way, right? There is a way. We're done. We're done. We're done, boys. Alright, tag that at break even there. That was probably my last trade of the day. I don't like these markets, bro. It's starting to really piss me off, bro, because every time we get close to an entry, we fucking just flush down, down, down. We had no entry, bro. The highest time frame inversion was this 5 minute. We barely close above, and then we just dump all the way down and take out every single draw lower. It's unfortunate, bro. On charges to the game, but you know, didn't lose money today, which is great. Let me see how much we lost. Hey, you made $10. There you go. Made $10. We're gonna go ahead and book this little freaky win. And yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm probably gonna I don't even know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'll see y'all. Oh yeah, so we got one more week of trading left. So I'll see you guys next week, and then after that, we're gonna be off until like the second week of January. Look at that piece of shit, bitch. Piece of shit, bitch. Just dumb. Either way, I'll see you. I'm done with this shit. I'll see y'all.